Hello, good afternoon. I'm here with another DIY project that I got from somewhere on YouTube. I think I got it from Natural 85, if I recall. It's a hair and body oil, and this is very good for your hair and this is good for your body. First, I'm going to use some olive oil. I'm going to use 2.5 ounces of olive oil, which I'm pouring now in a bottle. And then after the olive oil, I'm going to use 2.5 ounces of jojoba oil. You use the cheapest oil first. You put more of the cheapest oil first, and as you go, you put the most expensive one last. Next, I'm going to use some castor oil, and I'm going to put all the information in the description box where I purchased my oil from and how much they cost and so forth. Then I put 1 ounce of castor oil. Then the sweet almond oil. I'm going to put 1 ounce of sweet almond oil. 1 ounce of sweet almond oil. And you could get applicator bottles from, any beauty supply stores. And after the sweet almond oil, I'm going to put 1 ounce of avocado oil. 1 ounce. And last but not least, I'm going to put 1/2 ounce of vitamin E oil right after the avocado oil. What about now? I'm going to put 1/2 ounce of vitamin E oil. But I just usually fill up the remaining bottle, the remaining space with vitamin E oil. It's good for your skin, it's good for your hair, and all the oils combined together makes a great mixture for your hair and your skin. And a little bit goes a long way. You can use it right after a shower while your skin is still damp, and you can use it in your hair while your hair is still wet after washing your hair. And it makes your hair nice and soft. You shake it up when you finish, and that's it. That's the oil, hair and body oil.